Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. My name is Anas and I'm a teacher at the International Knowledge School. Today we're going to go through or pick up where we left off in the pupils book. But before we do so, someone highlighted a mistake that we did in the last episode, which is the one here. Now in this one we have short, and shortest, but it was the opposite of what I did. So here, let's erase these lines. I'm sorry if I made the mistake as well, but here, this is the shortest, this is shorter, and this is short. Okay, so short, shorter, and shortest. Okay? And shortest, shorter. Okay, so that's the mistake that we did the last time. Make sure you correct it so it doesn't stay in your book like that. Okay, great. So now we can move on to the next few pages to today's lesson. Okay, so here, using cubes. Now here we use cubes to measure how long something is. Usually we use centimeters, but these are almost the same. Each cube is maybe 1 centimeter or so. So this pencil is 6 cubes long. This paintbrush is 8 cubes long. Let's make sure. Here, this pencil is 6 cubes long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes, that's correct. So this cube, or this pencil, is 6 cubes long. This paintbrush is 8 cubes long. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 8 cubes long. Okay, so here, join sets of cubes that are the same length. So we're going to match the sets of cubes that have the same length. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, no. 1, 2, no. Oh, yes. This is 1, 2, 3. So we can match these two together. Okay, so now go ahead and pause the video and match the ones that are the same together and then play the video. So go ahead and pause it now. Okay, so if you pause the video and you play it again, let's check if you had the right answers, or if you have the right answers. Let's go for the longest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's see which one has the same amount of cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No. We want 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there we go. There we go. Let's see. Actually, I want to number them before we start. So let's write 3 here. That's 3. This is 5. 5. This was 9. And 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 as well. Okay, let's see. So we have 5 and 5, 6 and 6. Okay, 2 and 2. 8 and 8. I can match these like this. Good. So we have 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. Okay, so these are all of this cube length. They are the same length. Great. Now, use cubes to measure each of these objects here. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to draw cubes and try to make them as almost the same size. They don't have to be exactly the same size. But let's see how it goes. Let's be until the end. Okay, so let's see. It's almost just like this. Okay, so 1, 2. It doesn't have to be precise, just a close measurement. Okay, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12 cubes long. Okay, let's try this one here. Now we can draw it this way or this way, but I'd rather draw it this way. So here and here at the end. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So okay, this is 8 cubes long. Okay, just because it's 8. Let's take a look at this one here. I'll draw this one here because there's no space down there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 cubes long. Now for this one, we can draw it right through it. Just because there's no space to do it under it, so let's do it right through it. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 cubes long. Okay. Now let's take a look at this one here. We'll draw it right through it as well. So from here to the very end, to the very end. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10 cubes long. The toothbrush is actually longer than the toothpaste. So this is 12 cubes and this is 10 cubes, which is almost the same, but with the toothbrush being much longer. Now, you can color these with whatever color you'd like these ones here. One other thing you could do is that you can draw cubes on a piece of paper like this. I'll do this so you can get an idea. Let's see. I'm going to copy it off of this one. Just a second. You can take a piece of paper. If you want to be precise, you can take a piece of paper like this. Just a second. Okay, so you can copy this one off of it, or you can take the longest one, which is this one. This is the longest one. So you can copy it. Let's see. Okay, so that's 9. Now you can use the same one to measure these over here. You can make it a bit longer as well. Hold on, that's too long. I'm trying to make it a bit longer, which is not working out well. Okay, so this is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is like the same one we have here. Now you can see it's actually longer than 12, so maybe 13. Yeah, it's actually longer than 12, maybe 13 or 14. But as a rough estimate, as 12 is really good. Let's take a look at this one here. It's gonna be from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 8. It's almost the same. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost the same, so we had 10. Let's take a look at this one as the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the same, 6. So you can use this as a reference on a piece of paper, and if you put it here, it's transparent, so you can see what's under it, and it will help you a lot in telling how long something is. Or if you just want something to do, and if you like drawing and coloring, you can use this one here. Okay, either way, they are both fine, and you know, the difference wasn't that much. The one we drew there was 13, the one we had was 12, so the difference isn't that much. Okay, so let's go ahead. Very good at this one. Let's go ahead and move on to the next page. Draw lines to match the length of each of these. Color the longest red, color the shortest blue. So we're going to draw lines to match the length of these cubes. So let's first draw the lines. Let's make them like this. Okay. So we're just drawing lines, so they're the same length. Okay. I think, yeah, that's fine. Okay, I think that's good. Now it doesn't really have to stop here, but it does. There are two ways you can do it. I think we should stop there, to be honest, just so it's precise. So let's stop there. Oops. Let's stop here at this line instead of that line. Okay, that will make it much more accurate. Okay, color the longest red, color the shortest line blue. So let's take out our colors again. Red and blue. Okay, so color the longest one red. So which one is the longest one? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is longer, so I can color it red. Okay, color the shortest blue. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the shortest. Okay, so color the shortest line blue. Color the longest line red. Okay. So now we can move ahead to the next one, and let's see. Tick the rods that are missing. So let's see how many rods are missing. In A, how many do we have missing? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the ones that are missing are, we have 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3. So here, 3. We can either draw them and we can number them as well. Okay, yeah, that's it. So that's 1, 2, 3. That's 3. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 1, 2, 3. So how many missing? 1. I'm gonna write 1 here, just to make sure. Okay. Now here, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many do we have missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I actually draw them, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5. Okay, so here we have 1, 2. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's draw these. 2. One, 2, 3, 4. No, that's not 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. So how many missing? 4. Okay, so now we have to tick which one is missing from these rods below. Okay, so let's see which one is missing because we already have the number. So here's 3. 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this one. Okay, here we have 1 missing. Oh, here, this is 1. Here we have 5 missing. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, here 4. 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So these are the missing ones. We already drew them. You can color them if you'd like. That would be nice as well. Okay. Use cubes to measure objects around you. Okay, so we're going to use cubes to measure the objects around here. Now, I'm going to use this again, just because it's more accurate. We're going to measure them here, and then we'll measure real life things. I'm going to do it in a better way. I'm going to do it again. This time I'm going to be more accurate. So let me take my piece of paper. Okay, let's take a look. I'll draw them on the line so they're actually clearer. Okay. You can see this one. Okay, so let's now have an idea of how long they are. It's not exactly precise, but it's better than the last one, I think. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's pretty much good. Let's take a look here. Let's start with it here. Okay, this is much better. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 cubes long and 1 cube wide. Okay. Finger. Let's take a look at the finger. The finger is 4 cubes long. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 cube wide. Let's take a look at my real finger. Let's see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 cubes long. And how many cubes long? 1. Only 1. Okay, so my finger is 10 cubes long and 1 cube wide. So you can use that as well. Okay, So today's homework is to draw a cube like this and measure these objects and say how much or how long they are. So for this one example, for example, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 across and 1 wide. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 across and 1 wide. Okay, so that's today's homework. We will do it the next time together and see if you answered it correctly or not. Of course, these are just examples, so the real ones are different. My finger was 10 cubes long. The one in the drawing is 5. So these are much smaller. So keep that in mind. You can also measure the real objects around you and see how long they are. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.